is the fluctuation of what your balance will be after you close your running trade or your active trade. So let me give you an example. Example, I'll drop another screenshot here to see something. I'll show you guys as an example here. So you are in a trade, and for instance, your balance is 10,000 US dollars. Don't mind this balance you're seeing here. That's not mine. That's a demo account. So don't trip. Okay. Now you have $10,000. Then you are in a trade. Okay. And the trade is running in profit of $100, or let's say it's running a profit of $500. Okay. Now your balance will still be showing 10,000. But now this is where equity comes into play. This is what equity means: fluctuation of what your price, of what your balance will be. Now, equity will be showing you $10,500, but your balance is still 10,000. Do you understand what I'm saying? So now, if the trade is going against you, for example, now that same trade is going against you and you are losing $500, but it has not closed yet because it's still running, so it's still active. Now you'll be seeing minus $500. Now your equity will be showing you 9,500 because you are losing 500 already, but it is not closed yet. So your balance is still 10,000. Now, equity is showing you what your balance will be if this trade closed in loss. That's you lose $500. So when you close that trade, like finally you close the trade, you lost the $500. Now your balance will then be showing $9,500. But until those active trade are closed, your balance will be at 10,000, but equity will be showing you what is actually going on, like fluctuation of what your account balance will be when those active trade are closed. Equity. So the next on our list is stop loss. Stop loss can also be seen as SL. SL. Okay. So what is stop loss? Stop loss is Stop loss can be seen as the situation whereby you are in a trade, and whenever the trade is going against you, if you have your stop loss set, when it hits your stop loss, it's going to automatically close the trade, so you don't lose more than that amount you set as your stop loss. Okay, so it automatically closes the trade because your broker is going to close it for you. So you are online, you are not online, as long as you set your stop loss, your broker is going to close the trade. So some persons, like for instance, you are in a trade and the trade is going against you. You are not online, but you already set your stop loss that you don't want to lose more than $5, or you don't want to lose more than $10 in this market, and you set your stop loss on that price. Once it gets there, you're going to close and keep your remaining balance will be safe. You understand? Yeah. So that's the function of stop loss. Some analysis. Take profits. Take profit can also be seen as TP. And this is the best. This is what I love most. For instance, just like I made an example with stop loss, you are in a trade and the trade is going well. You understand? So and you tell your broker, like, how do you tell your broker is by setting your TP, like, okay, when it gets to this price, that is good enough for me. I don't want more profit. Give me this and lock it in my balance. So when you come back online, you are going to come and meet that profit. Let me say, for instance, you have $200, and the trade you entered that went well and it hits your TP was about $50 profit. Your broker is going to automatically close that trade at $50 and add $50 to your balance. You understand? That is TP. So whenever your trade is going well and it hits TP, your broker is going to automatically close. So you have to set your TP yourself. You understand? So that's it. Then we go over to the next one on our list, which is profits. Profit is profit. Everybody know what profit is. Profit is making gains from the market. The next on our list is loss. We all know what loss means. Loss means the money, au revoir. Next on our list, bullish market. Okay, so I'll take my time to explain this. Bullish market. Bullish market can be seen as uh, an uptrend market, an uptrending market. Understand? So in Forex, we have uptrend, we have downtrend, then we have ranging markets, uptrend, downtrend, and ranging markets. So bullish markets, whenever you hear traders say bullish market, they mean a market that is going up. You understand? So for instance, I say, oh, okay, so everyone, this particular pair is on a bullish trend. You all should know that, wow, man, that market has been buying or has been going up for a while now. Okay, so next on our list is the opposite, bearish. So what is bearish market? A downtrending market, market going down. Okay, simple. Next on our list is ranging markets. Already said that a market that is going this way, just sideways. On our list is long. Long. So what is long? When you hear the word long, it means buy. So for instance, traders are seated in a conference and they're discussing, oh, I saw this market and I went long on it. So don't get confused. Long means buy. Next on our list is short. The same conference and they're talking and they say, oh, and this other trade, I saw it and I went short. I short the market, meaning they sold, sell. Yeah, they sold that market. So last two is bulls and bears. The major players in the market are the bulls and the bears. And the bulls are the buyers, the bears are the sellers. Okay, so I know there might be so many other forex terminologies that I did not cover on this topic, but do well to research them. And if you want me to help you explain them better, leave a comment in the comment section, and my team or I myself, I'm going to get to you and we'll do a video on that. You understand? So that brings us to the end of today's class. And as I always used to say, please share this video with people you know they want to get into trading forex. You understand? I'll let you put in on one truth. Learning forex is super expensive. Don't let no one kid you. This is no cap. Learning forex is super expensive. Understand? So if you know there are people that you know they want to learn forex or been looking for ways to learn forex, please share this video or share this channel with them. And God bless you. See you in our next class.